Recording in progress.
We are here for day 2. This discourse is going on Patanjali Yoga Sutra since yesterday, and today we are continuing next session by Yogacharya Ashit Ambekarji, and we'll start with this prayer. All of you, if you have been joined, please try to sit straight, relax, observe your breathing, back neck straight, completely settle down in the present moment. Close your eyes, hands in Namaskar Mudra. Let us chant this prayer together. Inhale. Yogena chittasya padena vacha malam sharirasya cha vedakena yopakarotam pravaram muninam patanjalim pranjalim namato asmi hari om shanti shanti shanti. Gently rub your palm, cup your eyes and face, spread this energy all your body part, bow down, offer the gratitude to Mother Earth and gently open your eyes. So welcome all of you. Let us begin the session. Let me see, just sir has joined or not. Okay, he is yet to join. Before he join, let us revise our lesson, what we have learned in our last session. This is about Patanjali Yoga Sutra, which sir has started. This is 4 days this was actually 4 days program, but due to some unavoidable reason we are not able to start this session on 24th, but we have been continuing since yesterday, and this will be 3 days program which will cover discourse on Patanjali Yoga Sutra. Second point is Yama, Niyam and Asana, which has been already discussed by sir yesterday. And lastly, we will be learning about yogic cleansing practices. So any of who have joined yesterday, anybody wants to say something about it, or what lesson you have learned yesterday? Can I ask anyone? This is our Ashit Ambekarji, speaker for this discourse. Anyone wants to say something? No? Okay, never mind. So let me just revise people who have joined today. Sir has discussed that how one can, get merged into the practice or sadhana, yoga sadhana, where you can get rid of your I-ness, that I need to be disappear with the practice of yoga. That is very important point which sir has discussed. Second, sir said that what exactly mean by sutra. So he has defined what sutra is. And third, what exactly dharma means. There are different types of plateaus. Every one of us were on this journey towards spirituality, but then each one of us at different level. Then sir has also explained about how this only 8 sutra is running this $1 trillion industries, right? 8 sutra, 3 sutra which has been explained by sage Patanjali for asana, and 5 sutra for pranayama. And then later on sir said that how we need to become that effortless. Our physical body and mental body should reach to the state of effortless, so that we can achieve this stillness. And he has also mentioned about how, in very lucid and easy language, about how yama niyama should be part of our foundation of this whole yoga journey, right? And Ishavasya reference, sir has mentioned about the first sutra, which saying that everything in the universe is God. You know, Isha means Ishvara, or God. So everything in the universe is nature, God, which is actually we need to, just learn from this nature. We should conserve this nature, and like nature never hold anything. Nature always been giving you many things. So being in this world, in this universe, we are part of this universe. So how we need to become this, widen our vision, and to get tuned with this nature. And that's how this Patanjali Yoga Sutra teaches us so many things. And sir has literally given us this insight on day one. I hope, Ashit sir, are you there? So this is what we have started. Meanwhile, I'm waiting for sir. So I will explain our next Chaturmas event will be in next month, which is included these topics, which is happening in the month of September. We have pregnancy care, where I am there as a speaker, as well as Dr. Sarita, and one more speaker will join us. So this is next month topic. And then in October month we have different speakers, which you can see on the screen. This is the topic which is related to art of nurturing child. So this is how we are progressing in this Chaturmas program. I hope there will be no question. Everything is clear with participant, and you are enjoying this session with us. Is there any question? Let me take opportunity also to announce that my upcoming course is starting from 30th August for prenatal postnatal yoga. Okay, sir is here. So over to you, sir. I have just taken some time to introduce our AYG Academy events, and also about our yesterday session summary. So can I ping you? Mike. Okay, okay. Huh. Yes. Just a minute. Give me time. Yes. You can unmute.
All right. Okay. So I hope everyone can hear me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. There's something wrong with my laptop, it seems. So I came on the mobile.